Hi everybody, I hope everyone is having a great afternoon. Today we're going to be going over how to order a PayPal card from the PayPal app. So as you can see here, PayPal app is here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Just so you know, if you're not familiar with PayPal, it's a really great way to send and receive money, and you could do this without any fee if you link it to a checking account and not a credit card. So this is what your homepage looks like. So recently I sent my brother money, a company paid me, so this is just showing some recent transactions. But if you go to more right here, you could apply for the PayPal cash card, and you could apply, a PayPal credit. So we're going to do the PayPal cash card. So it says get the debit card that gives you easy access to the money in your account. No annual or monthly fees, no minimum balance requirement, no credit check, which is great because, you know, sometimes when you apply for a credit card, actually almost all the time, or a debit card, there's a credit check, and then that can of course lower your credit score a little bit, and nobody wants that. So it also gives you the freedom to shop in stores or online everywhere MasterCard is accepted, and you could get cash at ATMs worldwide with the card. Just on the bottom here, it goes over a couple things. PayPal MasterCard is issued by the Bancorp Bank pursuant to a license by MasterCard International Incorporated, so on and so forth. Tells you about the ATM fees. Okay, more importantly, we're going to go to request your card. Okay, to request your debit card, let's set you up with a PayPal Cash Plus account. So there's a list of all fees for PayPal Cash Plus account issued by PayPal. Tells you all these things here: monthly fee, ATM withdrawal, cash reload, and network, international transaction fees, yada yada. This is all really important stuff, especially if you're going to be going out of the country. So you just have to kind of read through this. I know we're skimming through it quickly now, but you know, if you want to read more in depth on this page, of course you can, and I'm sure you would want to. Okay, so we're going to go to agree and continue. So confirm your name and billing address. So your address that's on your PayPal cash card will come up here, and your name. This should match your driver's license or other legal document. You could have the option to send your PayPal cash card to your billing address. This is not my address. It's my old address, so I'm going to go ahead and change that. Okay, so you click the one you want. I'm sure you'll probably have the card, you know, already saved in your phone and whatnot. The address you'll have saved in your phone. So if not, it takes 2 seconds to type it in. Okay, continue. And then it says for your security, we need to confirm some of your info. So date of birth, mine in right now. Last 4 of your social security number, put that in. Okay, then you gotta agree to that. Hang tight, we're updating your account. So then they're gonna say they need photo ID, address, and social security number. We need the info to confirm your identity. It helps us keep your account more secure. Once we get your docs, we'll review them and get back to you in 2 to 3 business days. So you're going to have to upload a picture of your ID here. So what's really great is you don't even have to upload it like from your phone gallery or anything like that. You could just take the photo, you know, right from your phone. So you can see here it says take a photo, take new photo, or use an existing photo. So it gives you the option to do both. And then what else do you have to do? Send us a clear photo of your utility bill, cell phone bill, or bank statement. So anything basically with your address on it, just to confirm, which it may seem annoying and it may seem like a lot, but this is really important because there's so many cases of stolen identity out there, and you don't want to be a victim of that. I've had people duplicate my credit card before and all that stuff, and the more precautions I could take, even if it's like a little bit more time consuming, I'm happy to do it, because who wants to be sitting at the bank, you know, having to fill out a fraud report? It's just annoying. And then you could just send us a clear photo of your social security card or pay stub if you don't have your social security number on hand, or if you misplaced yours, whatever the case is. Okay, so when you're all done with that, it'll give you the option to you just send it in and click OK, and then they'll go over it, and in 2 to 3 business days you'll get an email saying whether you can get the card or not. And I'm sure if everything goes well, if you send in that photo ID, the address, social security number, fill everything out up to par, you'll be really good to go. So really easy to sign up for the PayPal Cash App card, no credit check, which is really important for me, and really simple to do. So I hope I helped you guys. I hope you found the video useful, and I thank you so much for watching my video on how to use or how to get a PayPal Cash App card. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you later.